Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a quick share. I got my D23 membership in for this year, and so I just wanted to share the contents of the box. I did have a code and it gave me a little discount, and so that's why I ended up getting it. But it did include some magical things, so let me show you. So it does have this newsletter, and I think you get 4 of these a year for a newsletter, and it just talks about the park, I believe. I haven't had a chance to read it. They also send you this beautiful certificate. And then I also got this gold member card. Has my name and everything. So official. And then it also included this pennant. The official Disney fan club. And then it also included some music. I think that's what this is. Yeah, so the Bear Band Serenade from 1971 and Nothing Can Stop Us Now from March 2020. So that's what's in here. And then it also came with this souvenir lunchbox. Do you remember these kinds of lunch boxes? So the souvenir lunchbox with all the different facets on the side, and it says the official Disney fan club. Has the little latch and it opens, and then it has the pins that they are. They're the official pins for joining the fan club. And so there they are. Yeah, so this is just a little share of what you get when you join the D23 club for Disney. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see you here. And until my next video, shakas.